Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And on today's video, I am going to show you how I do my perky ponytail style on my no wash hair days. So it is day 2.5 since I've washed my hair, so my hair is a bit dirty. I did put in dry shampoo already all throughout my roots, so that is going to help my hair not look so oily. And then through my ends and my mids, I put some volumizing powder from Design Me. Their Puff Me does volumizing powder. You can also use a volumizing texture spray. I have a bunch of different volumizing products that I use on a regular basis linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can check those out if you want to try any. And I put that through the rest of my hair as well, because I'm usually doing these styles on non-clean hair days. I want my hair to not look oily, not look limp. And yes, these products will make your hair look a little bit dry, but it is also what allows you to create a lot of volume and shape with your hair. If your hair was just oily and it's so fine, it's just going to be flat and limp. So you want to use these dry products to help pull some of that moisture out of your hair, make your hair easier to work with on these dirty hair days. So for my perky ponytails, I always like to use a scrunchie. You can use any hair tie you like. The scrunchie does give a little bit more height and fullness, and I just think it adds that kind of cute pop of color, which to me makes the scrunchie look cute and intentional and not just like I threw my hair up in a ponytail because I didn't have time to wash my hair today. So, I mean, obviously I just didn't want to or didn't have to time to wash my hair today, but you don't have to look like you didn't care about your hair today or didn't want to wash your hair today. You can look like you wanted to have a cute, perky ponytail. So these satin scrunchies are also linked in my Amazon storefront. They work really well. They're nice and they're pretty small. They're not a super, super big scrunchie. It's super hard to tell perspective here, but they are, the hair tie in them is quite tight, so good for fine hair. The satin the satin outside is super soft and doesn't break your hair. And I got like a 60 pack for, I don't even remember how much, but it was really cheap for 60 in 60 different colors. So you will never run out of color options. And I've had them for years. And even though I've lost a whole bunch of them at this point, I still have a ton. So those are also in my Amazon storefront if you want them, but you can use any scrunchie or any hair tie you want. Totally up to you, personal preference. There is no real right or wrong here. So I'm going to put my hair up in my ponytail, and I like mine quite high up on my head. You know, right up, kind of right to the crown, right above the crown even. The higher up on your head, the more of your ponytail you are going to see from the front. And to me, that is the point of this ponytail, is to see it from the front, not just have a ponytail in the back of your head. But again, if you prefer it further back, or depending on your head shape, you might find you like it somewhere different. That's cool. Experiment, have fun, figure out what works for you. So then we're just going to tie it in a ponytail like normal. I'm sure, you know, if you're here, you probably at least know how to tie a ponytail. I do it 3 times. It creates knots of height, lots of fullness, but you can see we've got a high ponytail, but it's not really what I would call a perky ponytail yet. It's just a high, you know, floppy ponytail. So the key to making it perky, we've already got lots of product in there, so it's going to cooperate. It's going to do what we say. It's how we pull our ponytail. Just like how we pull our buns apart, we're going to pull our ponytail. So I'm not just going to pull to the sides. We're going to grab right near the scrunchie, not our ends. We're going to grab right near the scrunchie, and we're going to pull out, but we're also going to pull forward while we pull out. So we're going to pull out and forward, and then we're going to grab a little further back near the scrunchie, further into the hair, and we're going to pull forward and out. Forward and out, and just kind of grab different spots throughout the ponytail and pull forward and out. And that is what's going to create this rounded shape to your ponytail. It also looks super cute if you have day-old curls. The curls in the ponytail just look adorable, or you can just go in and add curls to the ends of your hair. Now you could stop here. This is a cute look. Nice, sleek, perky ponytail. When I do the perky ponytail though, I tend to like a softer look in my base. This hair is our base. So we're gonna loosen the base. Watched a few of my videos, you probably know how to do this already, but we're gonna grab our hair near the hair tie, and we're gonna just pinch a little chunk and just gently pull forward. We're not trying to create a huge duff puff, you know, from the early 2000s. you could do that if you wanted. I mean, that was my jam in like 2009, but we're just going for a soft look and trying to make it look like, you know, we've got thick, full hair, not sleek, thin hair. It's also going to help your hair not look so oily if it's not slick to your head. I know some people aren't into that look. I don't mind it with the right look, but to me that's a different look than this one. When I do my perky ponytail, I like the softer base. All right, so now we've got the softer base, we've got the perky ponytail, and I usually like to pull out my baby hairs, aka millennial support hairs, because I don't know, I just like the way it softens the look around my face. But again, it's your hair, so you can do anything you want. So there we go. That is my perky ponytail. Looks cute, looks intentional. It's a fun thing to do for your hair on a dirty hair day. It's super fast and easy. It doesn't take a ton of effort. You only need a scrunchie and some dry shampoo. Really, you could get away with just dry shampoo. If you don't have a texture powder, you could just put the dry shampoo all throughout all over your hair. But anyway, this is a fun style to do, and it's a great one to start if you are just a beginner at playing with your thin, fine hair. Let me show it to you from the back. I apologize in advance for all the videos that I forget to show you the back. It is not intentional. I'm not trying to hide the back. People always comment saying, why didn't you show the back? What are you trying to hide? I'm not trying to hide anything. I just assume you know what a ponytail looks like from the back, I guess. I just don't think to show the back of a lot of more simple hairstyles. But that was the back. It looks cute, just like the front. And I hope this has been helpful today, guys. I hope you have learned something fun and new that you can try with your hair, and some tips that you can maybe apply to other styles that you discover on your own. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me out. And then you won't miss any of my videos because I do post 3 every single week. Leave me a comment to let me know if you have any questions or what you would like to see. And check me out on TikTok, Instagram, or watch my shorts because I post there every single day. Bye, guys.